Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on IQ option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first step is to come on over to iqoption.com and sign into your account or sign up. So enter your email and create a password. Then from here, we can go ahead and click onto the Trade Now button, and that's going to take us into here. So iqoption.com/trade room. Now, we can either use real money or demo. So for this, I'm going to be using demo money. So now, in order to trade Forex, what we can do is navigate to the top of the page here and we can see some predetermined trades or markets. So go ahead and click on open a new asset. Now a little asset box is going to pop up like so. From here, click onto the Forex and we got all these different assets inside of Forex we can trade. So if you want to do EUR, USD, USD to JPY, go ahead and click on any one of these. So I'm going to do USD JPY. Then from here on the right, we've got how much we can invest, the leverage, the take profit, stop loss. You got your price, market, buy, sell. So for example, if we want to trade say $1,000, leverage is, I would do 30, I want to do 5. You can see the volume here, and then we got take profit, stop loss. So we can do a take profit. So when profit is 250, this is just a last preset I had. So say when it's 100, and we can change it from profit in money, profit percentage, or asset price, and then hit enter. And also your stop loss, we can change that from loss percentage, loss in money, and also choose the amount. So say if I want to say $50 there and hit enter. And now we can go ahead and do a trade like that and buy. So I've got an open position at 156, investing 1,000. Now it's going to show us a net profit loss here. If we want to go ahead and close it, we can as well.